Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore the topic of digital security. Now I'll be talking about TotalAV, a popular antivirus solution that promises to provide effective protection at an affordable price. Now we live in an area where our devices are easily interrupted with threats, so finding a reliable antivirus solution is super important. I'll be going into an in-depth review of TotalAV, discussing features, pros and cons, as well as pricing. And by the way, if at any point you'd like to check out TotalAV, click the link in the description below for a discount that you won't find by going directly to their website. Now let's dive right into it. What does TotalAV offer? So one of their standard features is the reliable virus scanner. Powered by Avira's acclaimed anti-malware engine, it provides strong protection against malware threats. They offer 4 different scanning options to cater to different needs. The quick scan, which quickly examines temporary files where viruses are often found. The system scan, which is a comprehensive scan that thoroughly checks every nook and cranny of your system for malware. The smart scan, which automatically runs scheduled scans for malware, tracking cookies and junk files at your preferred time. And the custom scan, which allows you to select specific files, folders, or disks for scanning. Once the scanning is complete, you'll be presented with a choice of action that you can take for detecting malicious files such as quarantine, whitelist, or deletion. Now, the real-time protection feature is valuable to have because it monitors your devices for potential threats. Enabled by default, this feature impacts on system performance is next to none, which is great. They also utilize advanced cloud scanning technology, which compares suspicious program detection during scans with their extensive database of known malware. And this approach enhances an antivirus's ability to detect zero-day threats and ensure accurate protection. Also, if a program is flagged as a threat, well, they alert you and quarantine the suspicious file, providing instructions on removing it from your system effectively. And now let's discuss another great feature, the Web Shield, which is basically an anti-phishing tool designed to block phishing sites and online malware. It outperforms popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox, which is pretty amazing. With Web Shield, they have reputable blacklists of dangerous websites combined with their AI-based detecting system, which turns out to be pretty effective combination. They also offer a safe search feature that redirects your web searches through their secure engine, adding an extra layer of protection. So this way, each site is evaluated by Web Shield, marked with a green tick for safe sites or a red cross for potential threats. And the best part is that you can download this extension or app for free even without purchasing the antivirus, making it a very valuable addition to your overall security toolkit. And now for those looking for enhanced online privacy and protection, TotalAV offers a safe browsing VPN, which is a fantastic option. This VPN service reroutes your internet traffic through their international servers, effectively masking your IP address and safeguarding your online activities from prying eyes. This includes internet service providers, surveillance agents, and even hackers. I also noticed that their VPN has impressive speed, performing better than other antivirus integrated VPNs. And on top of that, they offer a wide selection of servers located across 30+ countries, which makes it even better. With unlimited data and support for OpenVPN and IK EV2 protocols, you can easily tailor your VPN experience based on your privacy preferences or desired connection speeds. With TotalAV, you can receive convenient system optimization features. These features include a built-in junk cleaner and duplicate file finder, help clear disk space by removing unnecessary files and applications. The software also manages your browsing history and cookies to prevent unwanted third parties from storing your information. While these additional features may not be groundbreaking, they are effective, user-friendly, and conveniently accessible within the software. I really like the utility of the Secure Password Vault, which is only available in their Total Security plan. It's pretty convenient for managing your passwords since you can securely store, organize, and retrieve all your login details whenever needed. And it can even guarantee strong and unhackable passwords for you. So the only password you need to remember is the master password for accessing the vault. And I assure you, TotalAV never receives or stores your master password, prioritizing security. However, do remember that forgetting the master password can be a hassle due to the high level of security measures in place, so be sure to write it down. Now, in my experience, TotalAV goes beyond traditional antivirus by providing identity theft protection services as well. Now, what they do is continuously monitor your sensitive information such as credit card and details, social security numbers, and health insurance information to prevent unauthorized use. And if a breach is detected, well, you receive immediate alerts and they offer assistance in restoring your stolen information. Now, to further safeguard your identity, they also include up to $1 million in identity theft insurance coverage, although availability may vary depending on your jurisdiction. In fact, a basic data breach checker is offered to all users, allowing you to input your email address to check if it's been involved in any breaches. Now, in such cases, they provide detailed information about the breach and advise changing your password using the TotalAV Password Vault. This software also makes sure you're not getting ads on your computer. And I mean absolutely zero ads, whether you're surfing the web or not. This is because ads can compose your computer to a number of risks. This is why we've included an Adblock feature, which is available and extension in all popular browsers. So by limiting all kinds of ads, well, you're doing a great job for enhancing your browsing experience and also improving its security. Perhaps one of the most important things to mention is that they put a lot of their focus on customer satisfaction by offering multiple avenues for support. The TotalAV Help Center provides a comprehensive knowledge base with frequently asked questions. Of course, if you have further assistance, you can always reach out to them via email, live chat, or phone support. I noticed that they also maintain an active presence on Twitter where you can connect with their official account for potential support. And now it's time to look into the pricing options. They have a pretty wide range of pricing plans and packages to cater to different security needs and budgets. So starting with the free version, this plan provides basic level of protection and includes a malware scanning and a few optimization tools. While it's a limited version, it still offers essential features to keep your device secure. And if you're unsatisfied with limitations of the free version, TotalAV provides paid plans. Next up is their Antivirus Pro, which is an excellent choice for those seeking better protection. For $29 per year, it covers up to 3 devices, which is a great value when compared to other antivirus providers. And with this plan, you get a malware scanner, real-time protection, anti-phishing protection, and tune-up tools as well. While it may not include the VPN or password manager, it's a solid package for basic but comprehensive device security. It's also important to note that the first year comes at a significant discount, but the price increased to $119 per year after that. And if you're looking for even more features and enhanced protection, their internet security plan is worth considering. It offers access to the antivirus ebook, unlimited browsing data, VPN, and all the features included in the Antivirus Pro. This plan supports up to 5 devices and adds lots of value for those of you prioritizing your online security. The price for the first year is $39, increased to $145 per year afterwards. And the last plan is for those who want the most out of their security package. The Total Security Plan is their top tier plan. Currently priced at $49 per year, it expands your device limit to 6 devices and includes priority tech support, an ad blocker, and a password manager. If you ask me, this plan offers complete suite of features to safeguard your devices and enhance your online experience. Once again, the price for Total Security comes with a good discount and then increases to $179 after the first year. To truly ensure customer satisfaction, TotalAV also provides a 30-day money-back guarantee for annual subscribers and a 14-day money-back guarantee for monthly subscribers. This allows you to try the service risk-free and see if it meets your expectations. And if not, you can always take the refunds and walk away. To sum it up, I'd say that TotalAV Antivirus presents a compelling option with its affordability, effective malware protection, and user-friendly interface. It has a free version and affordable paid plans. While not the lowest price option out there, remains affordable and effective. However, it does have some limitations, including a lack of customizable firewall and does not offer protection for more than 6 devices. Despite these drawbacks, the quality of cybersecurity is impeccable and unmatched. If you'd like to try TotalAV, you can take advantage of an exclusive offer by clicking the link in the description below. By doing so, you'll receive a discount off your purchase, allowing you to receive TotalAV at a discounted price. Thanks for joining us today for this TotalAV review. If you found this informative, valuable in your search for an antivirus solution, please consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content on technology and cybersecurity. Give this video a like and comment below if you have any questions and personal experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.